Hello everyone, Douglas here, and today I want to show how you can use Actions in Photoshop. Actions is a tool that you can record anything in the program that can save your time, improve your workflow very much. And as you can see here, I have lots of actions saved already, like flip canvas, overlay layer, auto bright, auto curves. I use this all the time, like new layer, F2, because if you do this manually, right, you need to create a new layer and then change to overlay, and if you want to multiply you need to create here and change multiply. Instead of it, I just press one button here in the action and it will set already, create a new layer and set already to multiply, and it even set the layer into blue color. And so let's create a new action. This is, by the way, a button mode. This mode is where you're going to see if it's work or not. So if you click in these little lines and you check the button mode, you'll see all this. This is where you're going to record, where you're going to edit, and if you want to delete, it's here. Here on the bottom you see these buttons, the square to stop the recording, the circle is to you see where it's recording or not. If it's recording, it will be in red. The play button, the folder, to create a new folder, to create a new action is this one here, this little square, and to delete action. I'll make another folder, set2. In the set2, I will create another action. So I'll click in this little square. In the name here, I will add type brush. The set2 function key is the shortcut key that we're going to press. I will choose F6. The color of the button here, okay? So I will add the red. So let's go to record. She will show this warning that you will hide the shortcut for the color command. The color command I don't use, so I'll hit OK. So I'll go back to the layer of this action, painting here. I'll go to select. I'll select only the A here. As you can see here in the window, the actions window, it is saving all the steps that I'm doing here. So I'll select it here, go to edit, then I go to define brush preset, and I'll hit OK. So now we can stop the recording, and every time let's go back to button mode first to check here. So this is our new button, the brush, and F6. Every time that I press F6, it will select this part and make a brush. But we don't want the select part. We want to select anywhere and make a brush of it, okay? So let's go back to clicking the little button and uncheck the button mode. Go to brush here and let's select the set selection and hit delete. So delete the select function. I will delete the select layer 1 because maybe we are painting the layer 4, so we don't want that too. So let's delete the select layer 1, and we want only the make brush. The make brush is using selection of current document and make a brush. So I will delete all these layers and make another layer, and maybe I want this shape here to be a brush. I will select. If I press F6, now we have our brush. Okay, so that's it for the actions. Very simple tutorial, but very useful. I use this all the time, by the way. And if you want to make like overlay layer, let's go back to button mode. I will create a new action, click in this little square, name it overlay. In the set2, the function key, I want to choose anyone because I have already. In the color, I'll add a green one. So we record, and now it's recording already. So let's create a new layer, change the layer setting to overlay, and now we can stop the recording. Let's go back to button mode, Now I have here the overlay action. Every time I press here, it will create a new overlay action here, new overlay layer. So what we can do now, maybe click here in the set current layer. I'll press accordion again, and I will right click on the layer and change it to green. So it will set the new layer to overlay and will set the color of the layer to green. So I'll stop here, go back to button mode, and if I press again the overlay layer, it will create a new layer, change overlay, and change the color of the layer to be easier to see. So all the green layers here will be, I know that will be overlay. For me, the best ones are the flip canvas. I use all the times in canvas. So if I press F4, it will flip the canvas. And now we can select maybe just the little part. And if I press F6, and we make a brush of it. So for brush, for me, there's nothing better yet. Any other program that I use that come close to make brush easier than Photoshop. And that way you don't need to go to edit and define prepreset, choose a name, right? So that's it. I hope you like it. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. I think that I'm going to make more tutorials for this channel. Okay, see you there. Bye.